Pullers. Concentrated power forged from steel. GEDORE pullers effortlessly move weights weighing tons whenever human muscle power is not enough to release components from a connection. Our wide assortment delivers the best results in the 0.5 to 15 ton range. Unmistakable quality and power, combined with small decisive details, make all the difference when it comes to safety in the workplace. Centered alignment of the arms and force optimization are the be-all and end-all, especially with very high trigger forces. A lasered scale on the crosshead, hook brake and quick release allow precise alignment of the hooks quickly and easily. Spindles, often a weak point when it comes to maintenance. However, GEDORE spindles with their nitro-carburized surface are more wear resistant. Oiling and greasing is unnecessary. GEDORE pullers. Experience our range now.